Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find all your subscriptions with Trim. Are you tired of losing track of all those subscriptions? Well, Trim makes it incredibly easy to find them all in one place, and here's how to do it. First, open the Trim app and log in. From the home screen, you're going to tap on the subscriptions tab. This might also be called recurring charges in some versions, so you either see subscriptions or recurring charges. Trim automatically scans your linked accounts and pulls up a list of all active subscriptions, things like Netflix, Spotify, gym membership, cloud storage, or even smaller monthly charges that you might have forgotten about. Each subscription shows the name of the service, the amount charged, and the frequency, if it's monthly, yearly, or otherwise. You're also going to see the next expected payment date so that you're never caught off guard. Trim uses advanced algorithms to identify recurring patterns, so even if the charge isn't labeled clearly, like a vague bank code, it'll try to match it with a known service. If you spot something unfamiliar, just tap it to see more details. This is a great way to uncover hidden or unused services that are silently draining your wallet. And that's it. In seconds, you've got a full view of where your money is going every month. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel unwanted subscriptions directly through Trim. No awkward phone calls needed. Like and subscribe so you don't miss that video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.